My name is Paul Beatrice, and how I heard of RC Auto is I used them way back in the beginning before this shop became so nice. It was a surprise that I came in here and saw how much they have improved this place. This place is actually like an aircraft quality shop. So I'm very impressed with how clean it is here. And I am impressed with the service they give you in the office. I haven't got to do any rubbing elbows with the men out in the shop, but I'm sure they are very capable and high quality mechanics. I would highly recommend RC Auto because of the previous work that I've had done before. And one of the reasons that I did come here is because I knew of their reputation, and they have been here quite a while. And I have a friend that I go to church with, my friend that's with me right now, and he's a heavy equipment mechanic. And I had talked to him while my truck was in here being serviced, and he highly recommends these guys. He knows some of the mechanics, and he recommends them highly as far as their reputation and quality of work they do.